Brain or luck?
60 famous tech and apps logos, one shot each.
Pure brain or pure luck? Subscribe and lock in. 60 logos, 4 rounds. Score 45 plus and you are tech sharp. Round 1, tech and social giants. 15 logos. Stay sharp. Brand recognition. Speak the answer. Correct. Apple. Founded 1976, world's most valuable tech brand. Visual quiz. Name the company. Google. Founded 1998, parent company is Alphabet. 6 seconds. Which brand is this? Got it? Meta? Rebranded from Facebook Inc. in 2021. Spot it fast. Name the logo. Spot on, Facebook. Largest social network with 3 billion users. Pick the brand. Locked in, Instagram. Acquired by Facebook for $1 billion in 2012. Brand check. Speak it. Correct. YouTube. Acquired by Google for $65 billion in 2006. Brand recognition. Speak the answer. TikTok. Owned by ByteDance, dominant in short video. Visual quiz. Name the company. Got it. Snapchat. Famous for disappearing messages and stories. 6 seconds. Which brand is this? Spot on, WhatsApp. Largest messaging app owned by Meta. Pick the brand. Locked in, Telegram. Known for privacy and large group chat. Quick recognition. What brand? Correct. Discord. Originally for gamers, now for any community. Brand check. Speak it. Spotify. World's one audio streaming service. Brand recognition. Speak the answer. Got it. Netflix. Pioneered streaming entertainment globally. Visual quiz. Name the company. Spot on, Samsung. South Korea's largest electronics conglomerate. Pick the brand. Locked in, Sony. Japanese giant in electronics plus entertainment.
Round 2, hardware and streaming.
15 logos. Stay sharp. Brand recognition. Speak the answer. Correct, Tesla. Electric vehicle and clean energy company. Visual quiz. Name the company. LG. Korean home appliance and electronics maker. 6 seconds. Which brand is this? Got it. Huawei. Major Chinese telecom and smartphone maker. Spot it fast. Name the logo. Spot on, Xiaomi.
Third largest smartphone maker globally.
Pick the brand. Locked in, OnePlus. Sub-brand of Oppo, known for flagship killers. Brand check. Speak it. Correct. Oppo. BBK Electronics subsidiary, major Asian phone maker.
Brand recognition.
Speak the answer. NVIDIA.
Dummy markets alongside GPUs.
Visual quiz. Name the company. Got it. AMD.
Intel competitor in CPUs.
6 seconds. Which brand is this? Spot on. Intel. Historical leader in PC process. Pick the brand. Locked in. ARM.
Powers nearly every smartphone CPU design.
Quick recognition. What brand? Correct. Twitch. World's one live game streaming, owned by Amazon. Brand check. Speak it. Reddit. Front page of the internet, IPO'd in 2024. Brand recognition. Speak the answer. Got it. Pinterest. Visual discovery platform for ideas. Visual quiz. Name the company. Spot on. Vimeo. Premium video hosting for creators. Pick the brand. Locked in. SoundCloud. Independent music distribution platform. Round 3 of tools and productivity. 15 logos. Stay sharp. Brand recognition. Speak the answer. Correct. GitHub. World's largest code hosting platform, owned by Microsoft. Visual quiz. Name the company. GitLab. Open source GitHub alternative with full DevOps. 6 seconds. Which brand is this? Got it. Docker. Popularized application containerization. Spot it fast. Name the logo. Spot on. Kubernetes. Container orchestration system from Google. Pick the brand. Locked in. Figma. Collaborative design tool acquired by Adobe. Brand check. Speak it. Correct. Notion.
Productivity workspace combining Docs DB.
Brand recognition. Speak the answer. Slack. Workplace messaging, owned by Salesforce. Visual quiz. Name the company. Got it. Zoom. Video conferencing leader since the pandemic. 6 seconds. Which brand is this? Spot on. Dropbox. Popularized cloud file sync and sharing. Pick the brand. Locked in. eBay. Pioneer of online auctions since 1990. Quick recognition. What brand? Correct. Alibaba. China's e-commerce giant, parent of Taobao. Brand check. Speak it. Shopify. Largest hosted e-commerce platform globally.
Brand recognition.
Speak the answer. Got it. Chrome. World's most popular web browser by Google. Visual quiz. Name the company. Spot on Firefox. Open source browser by Mozilla Foundation. Pick the brand. Locked in. Brave. Privacy-focused browser blocking ads by default. Round 4, commerce and lifestyle. 15 logos. Stay sharp. Brand recognition. Speak the answer. Correct, Airbnb. Disrupted hospitality industry from 2008. Visual quiz. Name the company. Uber.
Global ride-hailing and delivery giant.
6 seconds. Which brand is this? Got it. Lyft.
Uber's main U.S. competitor in ride-sharing.
Spot it fast. Name the logo. Spot on. PayPal. Pioneer of online payments, spun off from eBay. Pick the brand. Locked in. Stripe. Developer-first payment processor for businesses. Brand check. Speak it. Correct. Visa. World's largest payment card network. Brand recognition. Speak the answer. MasterCard. Second largest global card payment network. Visual quiz. Name the company. Got it. Nike. World's largest athletic footwear and apparel. 6 seconds. Which brand is this? Spot on. Adidas. German sportswear giant Nike's main rival. Pick the brand. Locked in. Puma. German athletic brand, sibling rivalry with Adidas. Quick recognition. What brand? Correct. Starbucks.
World's largest coffeehouse chain.
Brand check. Speak it. McDonald's. Largest fast food chain, Golden Arches icon. Brand recognition. Speak the answer. Got it. KFC. Kentucky Fried Chicken, founded by Colonel Sanders. Visual quiz. Name the company. Spot on. Coca-Cola. World's most recognized beverage brand. Pick the brand. Locked in. X. Rebranded from Twitter by Elon Musk in 2023. If you are loving this, subscribe. More logo and brand quizzes drop weekly. 60 logos done. Beat 45 and you are tech sharp. Drop your score in the comments. Top scorers get pinned next week. Subscribe to Brain or Luck for more logo, brand, and trivia challenges every week.